This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look again at the gold market. Well, it's really difficult choice right now what currency pair to discuss, because the all nice patterns we already have discussed on the Japanese yen, on the Great British pound, and really there was not much, not significant action was since yesterday, and on the Great British pound it's not much to add, although market yesterday has made an nice attempt to continue move lower, but right after the few hours have returned right back up and returned right back up in the consolidation that where it stand previously. But still, on the Great British pound, until market will not hit the ABCD target, hardly it will turn in the opposite direction. So any bounces that we see right now on the Great British pound hardly will get some continuation prior the market will hit the ABCD target. So from that standpoint, from that point of view, our analysis on the Great British pound is the same. Now about the gold market. Gold market also really can't give us significant changes on the price action, but still now we see some moments that give us more confidence with our thoughts about possible another downward splash. So on the daily time frame chart, we do not see much changes compared to the previous analysis. So market just stands flat, and we could say that it's building an energy. At the same time, price hasn't quite hit as target of the bottom line here. So 1236 1618 extension market stands slightly above this target, and finally market hasn't tested the major target that we are watching for, is the weekly ABCD minor extension. 618 extension stands at 1236 as well. So before these targets will not be hit, we can't rely on any bounce, on any retracement that market could show. To be honest guys, even hitting of these targets can't promise us any meaningful retracement up. These targets just assume the possible bounce, because in the normal reaction, market usually respects such targets and show at least 3-8 retracement, and that is the moment that we are counting on. But of course we can't say it for sure, and we can't exclude that market really could just plunge down and continue move down with the fast acceleration. But some fast action will follow, mostly because market right now stands in a very tight range, and in fact it's building an energy. So take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. You could see that since the beginning of the current week and even on the previous week, market stands in a very tight range. And here you could see the perfect example of the bearish dynamic pressure, because you can see that trend has shifted bullish, but price action stands absolutely flat. Usually in most cases this assumes the acceleration to the downside and taking out of these lows, but how far this acceleration will happen, it's very difficult to say. But the level around 1230, 1236 target will be hit with the high probability. If we take a look at this situation not from the point of harmonic patterns, but from the classical approach, so we could say the hourly chart. On the hourly chart we see that some pennant is forming. Okay, it looks more like a pennant on 4-hour time frame chart. So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, it's more look like a pennant. It's just smaller on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the hourly it looks like more triangle. But anyway, if you are applying the classical analysis here, so you should count the mass of the pennant, the action before it has been formed, and count it to the downside as the minimum target, to estimate the minimum target with the possible move down. This target suggests the reaching of the 1232, 1233 area. So it means that the weekly ABCD target should be hit, and after that we will be watching for possible bounce up. I can't exclude, guys, that this could happen maybe on during today's European Central Bank meeting, or maybe during tomorrow's non-farm payrolls release. So it probably should happen soon. Today, tomorrow, I suspect. That is two major steps of our trading plan. First, wait for reaching of this target. Second, monitor the possible bounce for taking the short position. Of course, guys, it's not forbidden to take the long position if you trade on the intraday charts. Maybe market will form here some pattern. Maybe this will be some kind of the head and shoulders or something of that sort that will trigger retracement. So if you trade on the 15-minute charts, on the 30-minute charts, well, maybe you will find something to trade as well. But since this is the daily update and we mostly deal with the daily chart, for us the major focus is a bounce up, because that will be our chance for taking the short position in the possible downward continuation on the gold market.